everybody, my name is Asha, also known as Brainy Beijing Beauty, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 tips on how you can be or become confident with short hair. Okay, so these tips are in no particular order, but tip number 1 is to walk tall and proud. Now, oftentimes when you are not confident, especially when you have short hair in a society which like glorifies hair length, you know, and long hair, you gotta walk tall and you gotta walk proud. You gotta walk into a room and be shining like that disco ball if your hair is short like mine, and command that room, you know. Don't be hunched over or walking in all timid and shy. Walk in with confidence and rock that either bald head, short haircut, pixie cut, short hair. Rock that hairstyle. Tip number 2 is to wear makeup. If you have a facial feature which you absolutely love and which you want to highlight, makeup will do exactly that. So if you are not confident as yet with your short hair, wear makeup and enhance that facial feature which you love. For example, I love my eyes. People would tell me, oh, you have some nice big eyes. Enhance those eyes. Wear some popping eyeshadow, some mascara or some eyelashes. Or if you love your lips, wear some bright colored lipstick that enhances your lips. So wearing makeup can help with that confidence when you have short hair. Tip number 3 is to accessorize with jewelry or even hair accessories. Now, as you can see, I'm rocking some big nice hoops. Hoops look fantastic with short hair. Studs look fantastic with short hair too. So, you know, oftentimes when you have long hair or longer hair, your earrings get lost in it, when you know you can't really see those earrings or accessories. But with short hair, man, I'm telling you, those, if you have some statement earrings or some hoops or studs, they look, as I said, fantastic with short hair or a short haircut. And also, don't be afraid to wear hair berets or even little tiny bandanas or, you know, clips in your hair. Just because it's short doesn't mean that you can't have fun with your hair. Sometimes the best looking styles are when you have like maybe some little berets in your hair and it looks so nice and chic and effortless. Trust me, accessorize with jewelry and with hair accessories. Tip number 4 on how to be or how to become confident with short hair is to seek inspiration from other short hair beauties. Now, if you have not been living under a rock, you would know about pages on Instagram such as The Cut Life and other pages which feature beauties with shorter or short hair. Those pages have provided me with so much inspiration in terms of the length of your hair, in terms of the cut of your hair, in terms of the color, in terms of designs in your hair. There's so many ladies that are rocking short hair and have so many different cuts. Just because it's short doesn't mean that, you know, you're limited to any one particular thing. Those pages have so much inspiration and you can use them and see that there are women your color, women different races, creeds, everything that has short hair and that are rocking it confidently. So if you invest and you spend your time looking at those ladies for inspiration, that can help you to become more confident in the haircut or hairstyle or hair length that you have. And tip number 5 on how to be or how to become confident with short hair or shorter hair is to fake it until you make it. Sometimes, even me, sometimes you have to fake it until you make it. Sometimes I get a haircut or I'm not exactly comfortable with the length, or it's not exactly what I want it to be, and I just have to fake it until I make it. I go in like, yeah, this is exactly what I wanted, and I exude confidence. Even if I'm not feeling it inside, nobody would know because I am exuding confidence. And you will find that slowly but surely, the more you do that, I'm not telling you to pretend, but it is a little bit of pushing yourself and stepping outside of your comfort zone. And you will find that the more you do that, the more you realize that, hey, I actually am confident in this haircut or in this hairstyle, or hey, I really don't care if people don't like the length of my hair, or if people say, oh, I'm bald, or you will find that slowly but surely you yourself become confident to the point or to the extent that you no longer have to fake it until you make it. You have now made it in your confidence with your short hair or your short haircut. So those are my 5 tips on how you can be or become confident with short hair. Now step out into the world, use these tips, and you become confident. You don't let anybody tell you that you are not it, because you are everything. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed this video, that you found it helpful. If you have, please don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up, and if you have not already, please, there is a button right there, click it and subscribe to my channel. So until next time, bye bye.